Hello, everybody, and welcome to the last Grange CC Headteacher CU Assembly of 2021. We made it. It's been an amazing year, a year full of great learning, great progress, kindness, and consideration and confidence growing at Grange, the CC way. So we know what we're all about at Grange. We know that the G is for a great caring attitude. We know that the R is for really trying our best. We know that the A is for always learning, especially from our mistakes. We know that the G is for going for improvement and progress. We know that the E is education, which helps us to make great choices as we go along in life. And the N we did not miss out is because we never give up because we are CC learners. And we know Grange style strength is character strength, your true strength. The strength that is confidence and consideration, a beautiful balance. Love for oneself, love for the world, actions that are kind to oneself and actions that are kind to others in the world around us. Here are Grange people of power that give us hope. All the Grange parents and carers who support us and support the Grange CC way. All the children of Grange who give great Grange CC salute, star sitting and CC walking. All our Grange children who welcome new children and any visitors actually to school, make them feel safe and happy. Include them, and all our Grange adults who teach, care for, and help our children of Grange to learn and make loads of progress. We are so grateful. You inspire us, you give us hope. Our character strength focus is respect and appreciation. And that respect and appreciation is a confident respect and appreciation for oneself and a confident respect and appreciation for others, which is consideration. We know that it's not about who we are right now. It's about always learning, always making progress, and becoming the best that we can become. We do CC walking, which is basically embracing the challenge and going ahead in life and living with power. We know that we do star sitting, which is when we have to listen and when we have to focus, we are star sitters. And we know that there's no substitute for each of us. We each need to be our best. Your discussion forum is, what is your favorite word and why? My favorite word of the moment is inclusion, but it's inclusion and welcome, because we want everybody to feel included at our school. And what it means to be truly feel that they are included is when they feel welcome, when they come to our school well, and they are welcomed into our school. Let's come into our school. We value, we respect you. We really want to hear what you've got to say. We want you to contribute. You want to be part of our community. That is true inclusion, which is my favorite word of the moment. What's your favorite word and why? The highest single points total that you can get on class charts is 20 points in one go, and that is for the Headteacher Challenge Award. Write your name on a post-it note during the holidays and just say what your favorite word is and why. Get it to me with your name on for the Headteacher Challenge CC Power Award. You can give it to me on Thursday, 5th of January. So yes, some Grange thoughts just to take you with into the holiday. We're all connected because we live in the same Great Grange school. So even when we go on holiday, we're all still connected. We are not people who say, that's not my problem. We are the kind of people we say to all the members of our community, your problem is my problem. I will help you. Let me see what I can do. I'm going to balance it with confidence. So I'm also going to look after myself. I'm not just going to sacrifice myself completely so I don't look after myself. I will balance my consideration for you with my confidence for myself, but I will care about you, because if we look after each other, stronger together, kindness is strength, we will be okay. And when I look at myself, I say, I see me for who I am and respect all of me. And when I see somebody else, I say, I see you for all who you are and respect all of you. And that is our CC way of Grange. We make the world a better place. Class top champions, this is the whole half-term autumn too. Stanley, Karitika, Christina, Zane, Amina, Haneen, Gloria, Abigail, Zayan. So proud of you, class champions autumn 2. And Sarah DJ, Martina, Hasti, Renessa, Anna Maria, Khalif, Atif, Uzair, and David. So proud of all of you. So what have we done? We've had 13,467 brilliant points in this last week. Who was the classiest class of autumn 2? Matisse class, look at you, over nearly 9,000 points. NS class, over 10,000, nearly 10,500 points. That classy class of autumn 2 was Holmes class. So Holmes class, have to come and visit you to see what we can do about being the classiest class. I'm going to say Ennis class, you were second both times, so just keep strong, keep going. Term target was 250,000 points. Did we do it? Oh, yes, we did. We have 270,629 CC power points. Will we get to 1,000,000 points in this incredible academic year of 2021-2022? Well, if we carry on like this, who knows? We might just do it. But what I will say for now, we set ourselves a target of 250,000, 250,000 points. We made it. Because at Grange, we are powerful, we are kind, we are loved, we are Grange, the greatest school in the galaxy, and we made it. So have a brilliant holiday, everybody. We have seen the reindeer. We have been joined by so many hamsters. Who's this one? Let's give you a final CC salute of 2021. Hand on your heart, look after each one of you, look after yourselves, be kind to yourself, be caring to yourselves, look after your mental health, take a walk, get out in the fresh air, read a book, exercise, play some games. I think I might do a side video on some games for the holidays. Look at our beautiful world and just be kind, be sharing, be caring. Help to solve problems in the world. Bring peace in the world with your problem solving. There's your contribution. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the learning ahead. Let's be safe and happy. Let's learn together, respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's include and welcome everybody into our school community and get the best out of them and get the best out of ourselves. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.